Hello everyone, and welcome back to Wolf Quest Anniversary Edition, where we are here with Alira and Phantom and her beautiful 6 puppies. So on the last episode, Thistle did become sick, and we were just learning how to survive. And yeah, Bandit, where are you going? Too far, buddy. Yeah. I do want to apologize for my mic quality in the last episode. It wasn't that great, which I do apologize for as this is my second video on my new laptop, so hopefully it is better. If not, just let me know and I'll try to do better. Okay, so we do have a cooldown for Thistle, and he is at 75 right now, which is not bad. But not great either. He did lose about like a quarter of his health, possibly less. So yeah, we are in fact kind of tired. The puppies are also tired, so we might just go take a nap. And yeah, it's nothing much to really do. Just keep an eye on Thistle. So yeah, once again, I hope my mic quality is better than last time. It was pitching in and out, but I just tried to fix it. Hopefully it's better now. If not, I probably will have to work around with the settings more. Is there any danger? Okay, here, Thistle. Oh, she doesn't have enough food to give. Here, I'll bring him over to get some food. Because he can't run. So hopefully he can get some. Unfortunately, Alira doesn't have anything to offer, so we may have to go hunt just now. Actually, no we don't. I'm just gonna go get some food over here, because the carcass isn't that far. Because in the last video we did hunt an elk really close by. So I'm glad we did that, so we don't have to go far for food. I wonder if Phantom stayed. That's good. So they can eat. And then I'm gonna eat too. What is he doing? Is he playing with them? Yeah, I think he's playing with them. I'll bring meat chunk back. Okay. Oh, they're actually almost all full. Yeah, Thistle's the only one hungry. How much is Thistle at? Oh, sorry, Thistle. Oh wow, he's already at 40, so that's not great. Here, Thistle, eat up. You guys are all full. Sparrow's a little hungry. That's it. Okay. For Thistle. You'll get better, buddy. I'm sure of it. Yeah, he's already at 40. That's not great. Yep, our territory's okay. It's just this hex over here, but that's really about it. You'll do better, Thistle. I believe in you. Not seeing any danger. So that's good. And yeah, there's nothing much really going on. I think we should stay near Thistle. I lost Thistle. Oh, there he is. So yeah, that's just mostly it. Just take care of Thistle. Spend some time with him. And possibly just wait until the cooldown happens so we can go to bed again. Okay, and there we go. We have our cooldown once again. The puppies are still really... Wow, they're tired. So I guess we're just gonna take another nap so they can get more energized. I do not like how far they are. Come on, guys. Just aggressively barking. Camp everybody? Nope, next, come on. You can't be by yourself, sweetie. It's not safe. Okay. Okay, time to go night-night. Again. Oh, look at this soul. He's so... Aww. For a second, when Phantom was laying down, I thought he just died. That was so scary. Oh, this soul. He's at 7! No, this soul. Here, eat up. Any danger? Not seeing anything. No, this soul. He's already. Oh my god. Maybe we shouldn't have slept. You think if you play with him, he's gonna get better? Play. Yes, he wants to play. You guys are still hungry. Oh, this soul. You'll get better, buddy. I believe in you. Maybe if we roll? Yeah, just roll with you. I love this soul. That's like my most favorite name I ever named a pup. How old is he? He's a runt? No, he isn't the runt. Him and Bandit, like, similar? No, it was Sparrow and Bandit. Are like twins. Oh no. Don't run. Oh, this one. Please get better. I don't know how Alira would cope with one. Oh no, why are they every... No. What the heck? No. Go in, everybody. No, do not. Yes, Phantom. Next. No. Oh my god, what the heck? I can't. What the heck? No. Why are they not going in the den? Phantom? Go. Get away. Get out of here. No, I can't cope. I don't know what the heck is going off my keyboard. Get out of here. I just realized I've been spamming the wrong button this whole time. Oh wow. That was stressful. Good job, Bea. You went down. You too, Bandit. I seen you. I think. Oh my god, this soul. Don't die on me. Please. Bouncy bounce? You think you bouncy bounce? Bouncy bounce ritual? Think it's gonna work? Bounce around him? I think we made up a ritual where we have to bouncy around him so he can try to get better. Which is not this is not going very well. Bouncy bounce. No, this soul! Why is there being such... Yeah, like, the cooldowns are so quick, and I don't like that. Like, I feel like we should have more time to spend with him. Get better, please, this soul. Play! Bouncy bounce, please. Please, bouncy bounce. There's food for you. You're hungry. How about we just bouncy like this? Yeah, this is a better way to ritual. Please, the soul. How much is he at? Oh, 2%. Please tell us Bouncy is working. I don't know how Alira would cope losing one of her puppies. especially for her first litter ever. Oh, that would be good. Please get better, Thistle. Oh, he's so weak. Yes, he's playing. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. He's playing. Please, please, please. Be strong. Be confident. Yes. Please. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't even do that. Where is everybody? They, okay, I can see everybody. Thistle. I believe in you, Thistle. Okay, he's still at 2%. I've seen puppies make a recover, but I don't know. This is scary. And I am pretty sure we are on... Oh, sorry. Yeah, sickness only, so they are supposed to... They can die if they are sick, so... Oh man. Come on, Thistle. I believe in you. I think Nyx is a daddy's girl. Nyx is always with her dad. Oh, Thistle. I'm like so scared because we literally just got into the game. This is literally our second episode and one of our puppies are almost dying. Oh, he's at 1. No. Don't die on me, Thistle, please. Maybe if we play with you again? Because I know you do like to play. Be strong, Thistle, please. Oh no, the music's getting sadder. Oh no. Please, no. Oh no. This song. Oh, poor baby. That is so sad. And look at Phantom and Alira. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Oh man. That is so sad. And they made the music so sad too. Oh man. Thistle was so... I loved his name so much, and he was such a precious puppy. I don't know how Phantom and Alira feel with all these mixed feelings. Alira's just... she doesn't know what to do. She just looks very sad. Oh, man, no. Episode 2 and we already lost a pup. That's amazing, guys. Oh. Oh my gosh, that is so sad. I hate how they made the music so sad after the pup dies. It's so sad. Oh. And Phantom sounds like he's just mourning. Alright, I guess we have to go back to bed. Because the puppies are really tired. Once again. That sucks, man. Thistle's body is still there. So sad. Then it's gone. Maybe in honor of this soul, we can rename him as another puppy. But then, I don't know about that. We'll have to see. Oh, bunny. No, I can't get it. Me and Phantom do have to go eat. Phantom is kind of hungry, and we are too. So it would be good if we just went to go eat. Come on, Sparrow. Alright, let's go, Phantom. Hopefully the carcass here has enough food for both of us, and if not, we probably have to go eat or find something else to eat. Oh, it's not bad. That's enough. And there's also mule deer there, so that's good too. How far are the puppies, actually? Oh, they're not. That's not bad. They're actually really close. Man, it's so sad how this will just died like that. I mean, go back to give the pups some food. Because they are hungry. How hungry are they? Yeah, they're hungry. I can't wait to go to the rendezvous site. It'll be so fun. Phantom's taking his precious time to come back. How's Territory doing? Yeah, Territory's not bad. This one got strengthened, which is kind of weird, but that's good for us. I don't smell anything. I don't see anything. What is that? Oh, never mind. The puppies are safe for another day. Oh, sorry, Finn. I thought you're hungry. Is everybody full? Yeah, I'm just gonna clean up these scraps over here. I think Alira's the type of wolf where she doesn't like to get anything go to waste. Oh, she is full. Phantom, eat it, please. Please go and eat that thing. Please, eat it. Eat it, Phantom. Hello? Phantom? Oh my gosh, they are so far. They're not listening. Next, I feel like Nyx loves to wander. I think, just me personally, I don't like when the puppies go so far, because like, yeah, they should go explore, but at the same time, you don't want them to like be so far while there's like a predator nearby. Because I feel like it'll be harder to get them into the den, and more likely they can get hurt. I keep thinking like these logs are cougars, which is not great, because cougars have actually like really good camouflage. So yeah. Hunt newborn ungulates. Ungulate mothers have given birth to this year's calves and fawns. Elk, mule deer, and pronghorn mothers hide their babies in stands of tall grasses while they graze some distance away. If you find one before the mother notices you, you'll have a nice meal or to eat or carry back to your pups, if you have any this year. Who can now eat small carcasses and chunks. Baby moose, whoever, stay with their mother and wander as they graze. Yay, so now they can eat. And fleas proliferate. Oh, that's not great. It's not great at all. So we will probably have to go find the ungulate baby for them. we do have a carcass there, so I might just bring back some cheap chunks so they can at least like eat more meat, so we don't have to like regurgitate every once in a while. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go do that because they are not hungry. So I'll just go ahead and bring back some meat chunks and I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. There wasn't that much meat left on that carcass, like half of a meat chunk. So we would definitely have to go hunt. How much is... Okay, yeah, so territory is also good for now, so we may just howl to strengthen it up a little bit and then possibly go back to bed and see how everything goes from there. Okay, so it is morning. Well, nighttime actually. I do smell some dispersals, but we are hungry. And there's a cougar. That's not great. No, Phantom. Phantom, do not give him food. Come on, get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Where's this cougar at? Is that it? Yeah, that is it. Get out of here. Yeah, good job, Phantom. Get out of here. Shoo. Why are you not getting out of here? There's no pups for you to eat. Gosh, this cougar is stubborn. Oh my goodness. Good job, Phantom. Get out of here. What should you get? Okay, we'll possibly just go hunt. Because we are already out. And the pups are in the den, so... yeah, they still are. Okay, so Phantom's coming with us, and we are gonna go hunt. Is that bull elk? Oh, there's an elk mother. We might just go for the elk mother and then get the baby too. If we can find the baby, of course. Doe, mule deer. Oh, she's right there. Is the baby here? The baby is there. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna mark it on the marker. Baby. Enter. And then we're gonna kill the mom, which sounds very sad. But she is coming right here, so we're just gonna, like, go after her. Phantom, help. Oh wow, it's leg injury already? We didn't even get, like, so far into that. Get her, Phantom. Get her. Phantom is really slow. What the heck? There we go. Good job, Phantom. Good job. We should be able to get her to stop. Oh, we didn't. Okay. And she's dead. Huzzah. This is a good meal for us because I think we will refill after this and then we can bring home the baby for the puppies who are not that hungry. Actually, they are hungry. Wow. Who? Oh, I thought... Okay, they're really close to 15 pounds though. I'm surprised by that. Fill up, Phantom, and then you'll go back to get the baby. We mark this. Okay, so we are back home to feed these little hungry puppies, and we caught a baby deer. It's so cute! Aww! But it is dead, unfortunately. But still, it's really cute. Come on, Bandit, you're hungry. Yeah, Bandit and Nyx are like the hungriest. Oh, I love how Phantom still feeds them, even though they can eat. Aw. How's Territory doing? Territory's not bad, once again. How to just bring up the affinity, and then, once again, we're gonna go to bed. Alrighty. I did not mean to whine. Any danger? Probably a cougar again, but yeah, I don't see anything. So that's good. Fill up everybody. Bandit. Okay, you ate. Alright, how's everybody? Okay, so Vea and Nyx are both 15 pounds, which is amazing. And how's Territory? Territory's good. Okay, so all the puppies are at 15 except for Finn. Finn has like a couple more pounds to go. Is that a, oh, that's pronghorn. I thought that was like a whole herd, pack of wolves. That shouldn't be possible though. They are eating, okay. That's good. How's Territory once again? Territory's okay. Just howl to drink the net, of course. And I'm literally just gonna sleep until, like, we get Finn up to 13 pounds. Oh no. Can't believe I jinxed it. I did say that there's like, oh, they're right there. Who are you guys? Go in next. Nyx, no. Oh my gosh. Phantom, please distract them. Go in, go in, go in, go in, go in, go in, go in. Thank you, Nyx. Who are you guys? Soda Butte? Okay. Get out of here. I wonder who these are. Okay, they are the subordinates once again. I feel like Soda Butte is a ginormous pack because they already have like 4 subordinates and probably some yearlings and definitely the leaders. So if the subordinates are attacking us a lot, I do feel like they should have a pretty big pack. I'm just probably just yapping right now, but I feel like they are gonna have like a ginormous pack. How big is their territory? Yeah, they have most of the bottom of the map, so we definitely should stick to one because I do not feel comfortable being in the middle of the whole map because we are gonna get attacked on 3 different sides. So we should possibly go into like a corner. I don't know yet, we'll have to see about that. And yeah, just nothing much really, but Phantom, please do not. Did you finish it? No. Oh my gosh, he finished it. Oh, Phantom, what am I gonna do with you? I mean, we could try to get a pronghorn. I doubt it, we're gonna get one though. I'll need Phantom's help, of course, so we're gonna put them in the den and maybe try to sneak up on the pronghorn. We are downwind, so that's not great. We have to be above, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. This is gonna take so long. I don't even know if stalking helps. Is Phantom here? Phantom didn't come. Okay, it's up to Alira, I guess. Should we go from here? Dang it! No! Okay, we got one, we got one, we got one. Please, please don't let go. Don't let go. No, Alira. No, no! Gosh. Think we can catch up? They can't. That was so close though. Why is Phantom not here? He could have helped out a lot. Let's just wait for Phantom to come, cause that sucked, dude. Oh, time to leave. Almost all of your pups grown to 15 pounds. Very soon it's time. Oh, it'll be time to leave the den and travel to your summertime home base called a rendezvous site. Start planning your trip by opening the world map, which now shows the location of possible rendezvous sites in your territory. Then feed your pups to get the smallest one over 15 pounds, which is Finn. So they are really close. Oh yeah, Finn's at 14. That's not bad. Hurry up, Phantom, please. Let's try. Where's that one that I bid on? I don't see that one I bid on. Over you. Dang it. No. Please? Please? Oh, you are so low. This is the one I bid on. I'll probably be able to get it. Yeah, good job, Alira. This one is so low. Yes, good job, Phantom. Yay! We got some food now. It's not that much, but it should fill us up enough. Yeah, that's good. That filled us up a lot. So I can also bring back a meat chunk for the puppies. Phantom full, we're full. I'll probably just mark it, because I might just bring back another meat chunk. We'll just have to see. Okay, so we're just gonna go to bed. Okay, I did double sleep because I felt like it was gonna be a little quicker. Yay! We grew them up to 15 pounds. Boots, boots. This amazing territory is probably bad. No, it's not that bad. Yay! Journey to summer home. Your pups are now 2 months old. Their bodies, though still small, are tough enough to protect them from the elements. They no longer need the den, and the fleas make it unappealing anyways. Now the time to journey to a good place to spend the summer. This is known as rendezvous site. There are many good places. Okay, whatever, read that already. Look at them in their little weird pup bodies now. But now you can just see their goats more, which I love. And Vaya is turning a little lighter too, I can see that. Where's next? Oh, there you go. Aw, so cute. Can I feed you guys more? You guys should be full enough. Let's see if there's any nearby rendezvous sites. Ooh, we have enough. I do think it would be better if we... I think we should go for the one up here, so we can spread out our territory more over here. Just so we can be even. Yeah, we'll go to this one over here. Once they finish eating, of course. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Yeah, Nyx just has to eat. Phantom, you can finish that. Alright, everybody. It's time to go. See how Phantom does. I'll try to walk near, like, grass patches, so if any predators come, we have, like, enough spaces. Have everybody so far. Yeah, this is going smooth. There's nothing wrong, really. Wow, the puppies are really behaved. That is actually amazing. Yeah, but like looking at their coats, Vaya is really light still. Nyx is very brownish. I can't even see. Is this the site? I think this is the site. Yeah, it should be. There is Pronghorn right here, so I'm gonna name this, Pronghorn Valley. Okay, yeah, that's a good name. You have reached a rendezvous site where you'll spend the summer with your pups. Great. Okay, so we did take a nap, and yeah, the puppies are extremely hungry, and our territory is actually struggling. So we are going to go probably hunt some elk or anything we find. Maybe get an ungulate too. Is that our territory marking? Oh wow. Alright. Well, I'm still smelling is mule deer, so we are gonna go for mule deer. I just remembered, I never told you guys our pack name. And our pack name is the Moonshard Pack, which I completely just made up in my mind. It was very random, so yeah, we are the Moonshard Pack. This is an easy kill. Please do not go for us, thank you. Good job, guys. We did amazing. So I'm gonna go send back Phantom home so he can go feed the puppies while I go and work some territory. Okay, so I am back. We currently have a hex vision going, and I did get a little baby back home. So we're just gonna take a nap because I'm too tired to even go for the hex. So I'm just gonna take a nap. So I'm pretty sure there's exhausted from all that territory. We still have a hex invasion going on, and they took three or two of our hexes, and they are still going at it. That is crazy. So I definitely think me and Phantom should go over there and just state our mind and give them a little something. So yeah, I think Phantom wants to go too, so we're definitely gonna go and fight them off because they are doing too much. They're taking too much. Okay, so I don't know if my recorder was recording or not, but we did sleep over after the hex evasion, and I brought back a carcass, but they did take more than one, and they are currently still in process of taking one, so we are gonna just fight them off and take back these hexes, and probably go back home to feed the puppies, because, well, they ate, so they're good. So we're just gonna probably fight off Sodabeal because they are kind of annoying. Oh, there's a new wolf today. How are you? Oh, okay, so we finally met the pack leader. That is amazing. I probably might, like, start naming the leaders and, like, all the wolves in the pack, so we have, like, a sense of who's who, and instead of just calling them numbers. So definitely me and Phantom probably might target the leader because they are mostly in control. But wow, she is beautiful. I love her coat. It's really pretty. Yeah, go for it, Phantom. Get out of here. Yeah, I love her coat. Her coat is really pretty. Oh, and she has a major injury too. That's amazing. I don't think we'll kill her for now because this is our first time meeting her, and I don't think that the pack would like that very much if we killed her later. Phantom, why are you tucking your tail? Are you scared or something? Like, I think he's doing pretty good. Yeah, get out of here. There we go, we did it. And we're gonna just take back these 2 hexes because it's awfully close to our rendezvous site, so I feel like it would be better if we just take them. Okay, so I am back. My recorder wasn't recording again, so sadly, so I lost like 30 minutes of footage. But just to get back everything that I was doing, we were getting hex invaded by Soda Butte, and they took these 3 hexes. Well, in progress in taking this one, but we fought them off and took back the hexes again. And yeah, so that's what we really did this day. And yeah, I think we did a lot. Like, we made a lot of progress. We got the puppies to the rendezvous site, and it is currently snowing, so that's amazing. Hi, Bea. You hungry? Yes, you are. So I think we will leave off this video here, and I hope you guys did enjoy. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry about the 30 minutes of lost footage, but hopefully I edited the video properly and I got it back, or I made it better. So that'll be the end of today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more to come. Hopefully my sounding system for my mic and background noise is not that bad, and hopefully it improved a little bit. If not, let me know in the comments and I will probably try to fix it, or probably buy a new mic. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye!